At least, he saw me, the original. Yeah. My boyfriend is see me, the original reality. Di na ko the original reality. Di na ko matatakot pa pag nag-meet. Kaya nakakita na siya sa kuha. Akong real me. Umayman mo nga, mi nagkita. Oy, nagkita. Saan mo angay na ko i-show up dire? Ikaduha. Di na po di ko mahadlok. Kay, di na po kumaulaw. At least, people notice in the YT na I'm not using a filter, ring light, or brightness to make it better. Because I challenge guys, I challenge you. My haters is using a ring light, a filter, a brightness to make you can see them that very whitening because of brightness of ring light. And then in reality, you can be shocked. Is that you? I think I'm dreaming. And then the person you meet, they can say, yeah, it's me. And look at the different. And then you comparing, you pick up your phone and comparing the what you call that? You pick up the phone and then you comparing the original. It's not you. in here is so very good look, and then in the original, not. And then when they got do